So we are going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is cross multiplication method for solving equation of the form this one. If the equation is in this form, okay, we need to use cross multiplication method. Okay, this is third part of linear equation in one variable, okay, for class 8, and it can be for lower class or higher classes because it's an application based type. Okay, so now I will explain you how it works and what we have to do. So if you will see this equation, okay, they do have the denominators, okay, they do have the denominators. I will show you with an example what you have to do and how you have to do. This is the equation, for example, they have given you. Now what you have to do, as I told you, whenever you have the denominators, so you have to take out the LCM of the denominators, okay. But here something else, like denominators we have, it doesn't have the numbers. Sorry, we have the numbers also is there, and some variable form also, variable and constant we have. So what you will do, we'll take all the LCM together. If you are getting confused, numbers are there, we can easily take out, but like this, if it is there, we'll take out the complete LCM. Means LCM will be, so I can write my LCM is equal to 5 will be there and the complete one. Clear? Yes, it's very clear. Now what I have to do now, as I told you in the second video, so multiply the complete LCM on both the sides. Okay, so my equation is, so this is my equation. Yes, now what is the LCM? So this is the LCM. So what I have to do, simply have to multiply both on both the sides. So 5 is there, I need to multiply, and 3x plus 7 I need to multiply. That side also same thing, 5 I need to multiply and 3x plus 7 I need to multiply. Okay, now after that what I have to do, I have to see what is getting cancelled up. Now I have to see what I am left with. Okay, let us see what I am left with. Here I am left with 5 only, and 2x plus 5 is there. Here 3 is there, and 3x plus 7 I'm having. Clear? Now after that, you know what you have to do. We'll solve the equation and we'll get the answer. Okay, so understood, this is a cross method. So cross method, something else we have learned in cross method. This you are saying something else. Okay, that one also I will tell you how to do. Okay, but both are same. This will be easy for you. Why? Because like this only we are doing the sums from the starting. Means if any denominators are there, we will remove the denominators, okay, by multiplying the whole complete denominators on both the sides. Okay, the same process. Now if you will tell me how this is a cross method, actually this is the way we have to do a cross method. A cross means what I will tell you. Okay, just look into this one. Cross means this will get multiplied with this one, and this one will get divided with this one. This is what cross means, cross. Okay, so means 2x plus 5 into 5, okay, 3x plus 7 into 3, this is what you have to multiply. Okay, now you see 5 into 2x plus 5, 3 into 3x plus 7, the same thing we are getting. But here we are following the method which we have started from the starting, which we are doing from the starting. What we have to do, we have to use to remove the denominators. By how? By taking the complete LCM of the denominators. Okay, so that's what we are doing from the starting. So now also we are doing the same thing. Okay, so and why I am not saying directly to multiply like this into like this, because some of the students get confused. What they will do, they will take this plus that side and this minus plus that side, and they will make it very confusing. So that's what I'm saying. When you have the denominators, remove the denominators, is very simple for you. Okay, so it's a cross method, cross multiplication method. Okay, let's do the next sums. So there you go, this is the next equation. Okay, so my work is to explain you how to calculate the values. Okay, how to use the method. After that you know how to do. Okay, so here what are the things I told you in the second part of the video. We need to see whether any brackets are there or not. If brackets are there, you need to solve the brackets. Okay, and what else I told you, if any minus sign is there before two numbers, you need to keep those things in the bracket. Okay, so brackets are visible to us. If brackets are not there, then you see any minus is there before two numbers, keep it in the bracket, but already minus is there. Okay, so we'll solve the bracket first, after that we'll remove the denominator as we know. Okay, so what to do? 17 is there, so this one we are familiar with this one. What do you have to do? So 34 minus 17 x minus 5x plus minus 60 by 1 minus 7x equal to 8. Clear? Yes, it's very clear. Now any like terms are there? How are like terms are there? So this one and this one are similar. Okay, so solve according to that. These two are also similar. Okay, so first let's arrange them, then I will solve the answer. Okay, so why to arrange? So that it will be very simple for us to do the calculation, because they will be together. Okay, done sir. Okay, now solve. How much you're going to get when you solve this one? How much you're going to get? So minus 26. Okay, and what about this one? So minus 22 by 1 minus 7x as it is equal to 8. Done. So after this what you have to do, sir? It's solved, because it's not having the x, they cannot be solved, because they cannot be solved further, because x is not there, x is there, two different unlike terms, here also unlike terms. Okay, we cannot do anything, na? These two are unlike terms, means here x is there, here x is not there, so it's not a like term, they are unlike terms. Here also they are not like terms, here only one is there, 7x is there, so they cannot be solved. So now what do you have to do? After that, when it can't be solved further, remember one thing, when any equation whatever they gave you, okay, if it is not able to solve further, then you will see like this, keep one is there, nothing was there, so you will place one. Now we have removed the brackets, so every number is only one number is before minus, one number before the sign, one number before the sign, one number before the sign. Okay, so everything is done, and moreover they cannot be solved further. So you have reached a step where it cannot be done anything else. In that case, now you will see we have the denominators. Yes, we have the denominator. Here 1 is there, here 1 minus 7x is there. In this case, you will take out the LCM is your next step. Okay, let's take out the LCM. So we have the denominator, we have taken out the LCM. Okay, so you saw the LCM. Okay, now what you have to do? Now you will pause it, cancel up, cancelled, nothing to not. So after that, cancelled. Okay, no. So like this only we will solve. Okay, so got the answer. Okay, we'll go for the next one. So this is the next question. Here we doesn't have any values, all are in variable form. We don't know a, b, constants. What are the constants we have? X, y, whatever is there, we don't know the values. Now in this case what you have to do? Now tell me first here what I told you. You have to see minus plus is there or brackets are there. Okay, these all things I told you to do. Okay, if you'll see nicely, so we doesn't have any brackets, it doesn't have any brackets. Okay, moreover all the numbers are having individually before them one sign is there, means just like x is there, these two are together, these two are together, these two are together, these two are together. Okay, so it's completely solved. Moreover we cannot add them. Next one, can we add them? X plus b, no, not possible. A minus b, not possible. We don't know what is the value of a, what is the value of, we don't know anything, we don't know what is x, we don't know what is b value, so we cannot add them, so they are not like terms. So now what we have to do? So the next time the thing is that when this all things steps are done, so our next work is to do LCM of the denominator. So what are the LCM in the denominators? So we have two denominators, a minus b is there and a plus is b is there. So LCM will be, so the LCM will be a minus b is there as well as a plus b, both of the LCM will have. Okay, now what you have to do? Same thing, the same drill. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to multiply the LCM on both the sides, whatever the LCM you have. So first let me write what we are having. this is what we have. Now LCM will be, we have to multiply na on both the sides. Okay, now that side, x minus b by a plus b, again multiply on both the sides na. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, after that, after the same thing, so remove whatever the thing we are not having, same places. Now what we are left with, let me see what we are left with. When two things are together, keep in the bracket, a plus b equal to x minus b and a minus b. Simple. After that, you know what you have to do, x into a plus x into b plus x b, sorry, b into a. So b into a plus b into b is equal to same thing, means this one into this one, then this one into this one, same thing, this one into this one. This one, you know, those who are clear with the second part, those who have saw my second part. Okay, there are three parts, so this is the third part. I'm again saying, so first for understanding this one, okay, how I am doing, okay, you need to go through from the first video. Okay, so the video is available in the playlist. Okay, you can easily go through, okay, the video, okay, all the three parts, because the first two parts, if you understand, the third part is very easy for you, because I made the video or the what is the topic very easy for use. Okay, so by after seeing this video, there is no need to go through any textbooks or not taking the help of any of the teachers. Okay, so it's very easy for you, and we'll go to the chapter. Okay, so you'll solve, you'll get your answer. Again, it's an incomplete sum, so you need to complete this one. Okay, the complete sum you have to do and you have to solve. Okay, let's go for the next one. So there you go, this is the next question. Again the same process. What is the process? Any brackets are there? No sir. Anywhere any number is there where before minus is there? No sir. Plus, all are plus. Any none. Any denominators are, we have complete denominators only. We have the complete denominators only. Okay, so we'll take out the LCM of the denominators. LCM, it will be everything you write as it is. So this one, yes sir, this is the LCM. After that, after this we know what you do, you have to multiply the everything on the complete on the all the sides. Okay, so let me write this one and I will get to you like this. Okay, after that you have to remove them, which is same, one common, done. So whatever is left, write and multiply. Whatever is there, write and multiply. What is left in this one? So here x plus 2 is left and x plus 10. You know how to multiply the two numbers. This one, so x plus 1 is there and x plus 10 is there, and that one, so 2 is there as well as x plus 1 is there and x plus 2 is there. Sir, you have explained us this one how to do multiplication, second part of the video. This one also you have explained us very nicely, but here 2 is also there, then what you have to do? If here nothing is there, multiply, but 2 is also there, so what you have to do? Okay, this one I will tell you what you have to do. It's very simple. Okay, so for example, you tell me this one, you are getting confused with this one, what you have to do now? Okay, sir, 2 is there because of 2. Do think, for example, 2 is not there, then what you will do? So we will multiply. Okay, multiply and tell me what is the answer. So this is what we are going to get. You multiply and see. Just 2 write. Here also you write 2 before this one. So multiply the 2. So 2x square plus 6x plus 4. Simply. Just multiplying the 2. It's not minus is the multiple. So minus plus minus minus plus minus minus plus minus, like you will write. Simple. The thing what I told you, the basics. You just stick to that basics. You will get your answer. Okay. Again, this is an incomplete question. Answer. I've explained you how to do up to where. Okay, after that you need to complete answer. Okay, let's go for the next one. And moreover, one more very important thing. So everyone need to comment the answer, because many students saw, okay, they are only watching the video, they're not doing. So now their work is to complete the equations, whatever the equations I have left with. Okay, all the equations I have left with the answers. So whatever the equation I'm solving, this is an incomplete one. You need to solve me and you have to write the answer in the comment box, and I'm going to reply you back whether the answer is right or wrong. Okay, so let us see how many are doing. Okay, let's go for the next one. So there you go, this is the next equation. Okay, so in this equation what you have to do, again If any what if brackets are there, no sir. Any two numbers we have before the minus sign, one number, one number, one number, one number before one number. Okay, no. Okay, everywhere one number are there. Next, denominators are there. Sir, denominators are visible to us. Denominators are visible to us. Okay. Moreover, can we add them x square? No. X square is there? No. X square? No. Not possible to add anything. X nowhere? No. Single number, not possible. X is there? No, not possible. X square, only one x, not possible to add, not possible. So we cannot add them also. All are unlike terms. In that case, you clearly understand that then it's a cross multiplication method. So what are the things we have checked? First one, we have checked with the brackets. Second one, any minus sign is there before the two numbers. Third one is any like terms we have or not. No, we doesn't have any like terms. Okay, like terms are there but not together. They are together like this. Okay, but here so x square, here x square. We cannot add them like this. Okay, you will say na sir, x square here we have x square, here also we have x square. Now we can add them. How you can add? Because it is equal to, means it is on the right hand side, it is on the left hand side. Sir, but if it will be below, then we can solve. You can solve that one. Okay, if possible I will show you that one also how to do. Okay, but here you cannot solve. Okay, but sir, x is there here x is there, you said we can solve. You said, but see, remember one thing, like this also not possible to solve. It should be this one is the numerator. So numerator anywhere you have the like terms, no sir. Denominator anywhere like terms, no sir. Numerator anywhere like terms, no sir, right hand side. Denominator anywhere like terms, right hand side, no sir. So not possible to solve. So now what is the next method we are having? Take out the LCM, because we have the denominators. So LCM will be that one, you know what is the LCM. Okay, so this is what we have to multiply. Yes sir, we know this one, we did also. Very good. Those who know how to do, pause the video and solve the answer. So now we are left with, because the same thing is there. Okay, so we are having x like this, plus 13x minus 4 is there. There are three numbers, that's why I kept in the bracket here, 4x plus 3. So how to solve the three numbers? Everything I will tell you, don't get confused. I'm not going to leave you like this. Okay, the middle, everything I will tell you from A to Z, everything I'm going to explain you out. Okay, I'm not even leave you like this. Okay, because you are getting taught from me. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, will do. So now you will be confused that sir, three numbers are there, two numbers, two we can do, but 3 2 how to do? Three numbers are there, two numbers, then how to do? Okay, in this one, okay, let me show you. Okay, up to here you have copied. Okay, up to here you have copied. After that, what you have to do? Let me show you what you have to do. So in the second video, how I told you to solve if two brackets are there. Okay, two brackets with the two different terms of the variables are there. The same way we are going to do. So then which one will take as fixed? You said one will be fixed, will not be changing. Remember, if two numbers are there, you can do any of them to fix. But here three numbers are there in one bracket and two numbers are there in one bracket. So try to keep the three numbers as fixed one. So what is fixed one? So means you have not seen my second video and first video. So please go through the second video and first video, which is in the playlist, and then come to this one, because there's a small thing the way I have explained them. Okay, so those who are connected with me from the first video, they are very clear with this one. Those who are not, please go through that one and you'll come and you see all the sums from the textbook will be very easily will be cleared. Okay, I've cleared it with the basically very easily I've cleared. Okay, let's go to the chapter. And moreover, if you like the video and you feel the video is helping you out and it's informative, please like, comment and share with your friends, and it will give me boost up to do more sums. Okay, so please hit like button. Okay, let's go to chapter. So now this one is there. Okay, and many students are watching but they are not subscribing. So the thing is that if you subscribe, so whatever the videos I'm going to deliver, okay, upload it, you'll get it directly. So please hit the subscribe button which is there below. Okay, hit it hardly. Okay, so that nothing. Okay, so now fixed, this is fixed. So what I will do, the one which is fixed we don't know, so this is not fixed, 4x. The fixed one you will write as it is. Okay, now this one plus 3, the fixed one as it is. Yes sir, understood sir. So after that, this one into this one, this one into this one, this one, this one, the same process. They are also the same thing, three numbers. See this one, I have written. So we have assumed this one as fixed. So why only this one fixed? We can take that one also fixed. You can take. But the thing is that if you take this one fixed, it will be very easy because it's not having any role. Fixed means not having any role. It will be like this one, big number, na? If it will have a role, it will take much page and it will come somewhat very confusing to you. Okay, that's why I mean. So now simply what you will do, you will multiply this one into this one, this one into this one, like this. You will multiply and solve. Okay, and this one is just like, see, I will tell you, 6 4 is 24, x into x, and x square, x is there, x square is there, so x3. Next, for 4 into 13, x into x1 is there, x1 is there, so x square 2 na. Now 4 4 is 16, only one x is there, only one x. Next, 3 into 6 18, only x square. Okay, 3 into 13 will 39, only x. 4 into 3 12, minus 7 is there. Now 2 into 12 24, x is there, x square is there, 3 1 is there, here 2 is 3. Next, 2 5 is 10, x square, multiplying 2 2 is 4, x only. So like this you will do solve and you will see what are the like terms, and you are going to tell me the answer in the comment box. Let me see again. Everyone has to comment the answers in the box. Then I am going to tell you whether the answers are right or wrong. Okay, so okay, let's do it. So as I told you, the chapter has been completed. Okay, has been completed. It is being in 3 parts. Okay, so if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Okay, hit the subscribe button as well as the like button very hardly. Okay, so that I can hear that like button and the comment button and the whatever the buttons you have. Okay, means whatever the button means the like button and the subscribe as well as comment on the video. Okay, let's complete the chapter.